This cartoon truck was gifted to me, so let me show you what comes in the box and share my overall thoughts about it. We've been playing with it for a little over a week now, and my daughter, she absolutely loves it. We have a whole bunch of different tracks. We have some that go this way, we have some that go up and down, and there's like a ton to choose from. Also, we have road signs. We have some sections to keep the road signs in place, and it is absolutely amazing. My daughter, she loved playing with it. I think it would make absolutely amazing gift for any child, boy or girl. Also with the kit we have 2 trains, and they are rechargeable, which is amazing. I absolutely love the fact that we don't have to buy batteries over and over and over again, because you know, kids, they just love everything that can drive and move, and it just like it would require a lot of batteries. Plus batteries, I don't really trust it with small kids, so the fact that this has built-in battery is absolutely amazing. And because we have so many different tracks, you can build it different ways. You can make it small, big, and just encourage child's creativity. We absolutely love it. Totally recommend it.